Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to add friends in FIFA Mobile. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, just go ahead and open your FIFA Mobile application. And then now at the upper right side of your screen, beside the settings icon, you can see the friends button. So just go ahead and click on that. Now, you want to click on the plus sign at the upper right side of the tab, okay? Or at the right side of this text box. So here you can just go ahead and add friend a random user, but if you want to search for a specific user, just go ahead and click on the search icon at the upper right side of your screen. Now just go ahead and type their username, and then you should see their profile or name right here, and then click on add friend. So I'm just gonna add friend a random player or user. So I'm just gonna click on add friend and click on send friend request. So here, as you can see, friend request sent. So click on OK, and then you want to go back here and you can see all of your pending friends requests. So if you want to cancel your request, just go ahead and click on the drop down arrow at the right side of pending word. So like that, click on withdraw request. So here, are you sure you want to cancel this friend request? So if you're sure about your action, just go ahead and click on withdraw request. So here, as you can see, your request has been withdrawn. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.